Hello everyone. Let's start the weekly forecast now. We're starting with let's have a quick look what's going on monthly now. So we're watching on the monthly now. We are pushing heavier now from the upside now. So this is one of the thing you can expect in the market at the momentum in it. And now we got the heavy bullish candle goes on. But again, this is the month still open. It's not finished. And maybe we're gonna leave with a big tail wick upside. We don't know how it's gonna close. Maybe it's gonna be somewhere close like this. Maybe gonna keep going. No, we don't know. It's still open now, so we can't really predict about obviously the way the circumstances and everything goes on. Might we keep pushing, no, but might hit 5K and then see some sort of retracement goes on. But at the moment we are heavy bullish on the monthly, weekly time frame. Again, the same old story. Weekly time frame. What we find out, we find the support here now after the breakout. We did find the support here now, and then after that we can continue pushing upside now. So this is like say quite big move happened. So around 4,500, that's like a $400 move happened in matter of the 2 weeks now. So this is where the goal is actually keep going. So this is why direction is very important where we're gonna guess the thing right in the way we want now. So weekly is bullish as daily, monthly. So now let's have a look at the daily now. What's the daily doing it? So the daily is again same old story. Daily is super bullish. What we can see from here now, if you mark our zone now, so we have the support from here, and then after that we just keep pushing upside. Now we have no resistance at all on the 4 hour time daily time frame. So we just pushing up now. In reality, we know this market will gonna start retracing soon because we got quite few green candle in a row now. So we will expect as soon there will be a red candle gonna appear very soon. So this is what we're waiting. Hopefully the turn of any other day. But this is what I believe is gonna hit 5K, and then we might see start retracing. But again, we're not going on a base of what we think. We have to look what exactly going in the market now, the price action wise, what's going on in the fundamental wise now. So then we have to define it where exactly we stand. But we need to confirm the direction first. Then before go, I am not interested in buy at all any of these coins because all time high. We don't know how far we can get it. I'm just happy let the market start retracing. After the retrace, we're gonna look for it. So this is a daily again, clear bullish sign. There's nothing we can do. Now jumping on the 4 hour time frame now. Now looking at the 4 hour time frame, now the things it's much more clear now. So we had the support from here. Then we had a breakout happen. Okay, just a second. Yeah. Then we had a breakout happen around here now. So now we can clearly see there's a resistance form. There's a support, like on that time there was support, something like this. We find the minor support and then we break it now. So since the support taken out now, we only looking for in this market now. I'm not gonna interested in a buy after the breakout happened because this is a strong candles now. So I am not interested in a buy anything. I'm waiting for the market to start retracing. We know the red candle gonna peak at any time because look, four candle in a row is a buy, and these are the very heavy bullish market. So I am not looking for the sell. Most likely, I'm only looking for direction of buy, which market formed the red candle. After the red candle, now this is a retracement goes on. You don't know how big the retracement gonna be. Maybe the next candle gonna pop up like this. So you don't know how the retracement. The only way to find out once the market finds the support, then you can say, okay, this is what the market finds the support at this particular level when the candle close bullish. Now we can say once this high taken out, we have a very strong chance to retest the high and continue pushing up. And this is exactly happened on Friday afternoon in the NY Open. So this is exactly happened Friday NY Open, and we can see look the market continue pushing up another around 400 pips upside now in a matter of a couple of hours. So this is pretty much we are all time high now. So now I'm not doing anything now. So we are all time high now. Love to see the market come back down, find the retracement. So now for me, this is the support in this market now. I would love to see the market come back down, find the support here. Gonna keep going back up now. If not, I'm just waiting for the market where you're gonna find the resistance. Then I'm gonna see the potential retracement goes on. So at the moment, we don't know exactly where we're gonna end up in this way now. And definitely we're gonna touch the 5K any point. Maybe we open on a 5K. But I still strongly believe we will see some sort of the retracement around 5K now. So play our mind games on that certain level. So we will see around 5K. The market should start retracing quite a lot. Normally, on these level like 4800, 49, 44 something, the market touched it and dropped at least $100, 100 pips, 150 pips like normal days now. But again, this is extraordinary days now. The fundamental super bullish. We don't know how we're gonna react here. Maybe gonna drop a lot, but this is what I'm gonna expect here. How we're gonna the market gonna go get here, and how we're gonna find the potential trade setup available in this market at the time when it's available now. So now we can't do anything at the moment in this market now. So all I can see is how we can end up in this market now, and where we can potentially find the setup now. So this is the 4 hour now. Normally ignore the 1 hour and I jump back to 30 minute. Looking at 30 minute time frame now, I can clearly see, look, this is the support we're seeing. So this is the last time when the market find the support and the market continue flying up now. So this is the sort of the things happen on Friday, which were we looking at buy as well now, because the market find the support. All we need on Friday, the candle, this green candle, I want this green candle to be closed just above the previous red candle, just above here. Then I would have continued buying this market. So this is like say around like the 200, 250 pips move happened. Since the candle did not close, I did not get the confirmation. I have to let the trade go now. Again, we have to take some sort of the partial here and on the safe side, because we have no guarantee is the market going to break out or market going to reject it. So the safety is always first. Break even, take partial out, keep pushing up. So in this case now, what we're looking for next now is, so once we're looking for the next week now is, we're clearly bullish at the moment market. Now look to see how the market gonna play around here, this level. It depends on how we're going to open up now. So if we're going to break and close below here, then we might going to say, okay, we can open these ranges now. But there are some certain things clear here now. Before I make a decision in any market now, in any circumstances, we need some sort of the evidence where we can prove it. Like we want a clean traffic in the market now. For example, there's some certain criteria applied in the market now where are normally operate and trade it, and this is one of the key stuff I normally do in the market now. So there's the first one. We have the resistance, which is break, okay. Then we have the support here now. So now since the resistance taken out now, so I know this market is a buy. We can potentially look buy. It's all time high. I'm not interested. All I want, this market started tracing. So if we look at on M15 on this particular move, then we can find out around this level now how we grab the potential buy around the area. And this is one of the buy happened on the last week. Yeah. So this is the thing here now. So now the market come down here. Now this is a support form. But market in and market make the new support here now. The next channel waiting for the lower week high taken out. Then you can see the market gonna keep pushing upside now. Same on exactly on 30-minute time frame. Where's it going now? Right. Same on M30. Market come down, market find the support, the market steeper lower week, and then we're gonna expect this. It's a bullish market. We're gonna keep continuing pushing us. So this is like the 270, 280 pip range. But this is what we normally looking in this market now. I need a clean range. The first thing I'll before I look for the trade, a clean range. In this case now we have a clean range. Okay. Then we're looking for the support form. If no market find a new support, in this case we find the new support. Third, we must look for it's a volume time. Before even look for the volume, we make sure we got the strong candle gonna tell us yes, we are going in the direction. You cannot take the trade randomly in the direction, in any direction. So this is one of them now, and then afterwards we can expect this market continue pushing upside now, which is exactly done. Again, I'm not interested in buying right at the top here now because it's all time high. We don't know how we're going to react it. We might see some sort of the pullback happen. I'm not interested. So this is why it's much easier for us to find out where exactly we stand in the market now. It was a much easier week in terms of the direction. Was is only looking for the buy. Try to ignore the sell as much as they can because it's no guarantee where we're gonna end up now. So sell side, yes, there was a 1 point looking for. If this candle managed to stay below, we might be looking for a potential sell out somewhere like this. If we close something like this, then we're gonna say, okay, yes, we have a counter trend on. We're gonna continue pushing downside. Since market did not manage to close below, and we reject it and there's nothing, and we have to leave the trade like this. Now we are in this small range now. So this is what the market structure normally look like after the impulsive move. The market normally went sideways now, so this is the sideways market goes on. We might see maybe Asian session, we're gonna start opening up here and gonna come around here, and I will be looking for, if you got enough range, if we're finding the some sort of the support or resistance, or we got the rejection around here after the nice clean range, I don't mind targeting this range then. As long as I have a clean range to target, just like market coming down like this, for example. A market coming down like this, and then the market finding this candle now around right at the bottom. That's it for me now. We have a support, we have a clean range, we got the candle form which we expected it, and this is where I'm gonna looking for the potential buy in this market in this range now. And this is where you can take the profit. If you're expecting the market gonna go further up now, can hold it, but I will take my 90% profit off here now, because I don't want to be the market on the base of the hope, oh, we're gonna go 5k, 10, like 5100 or more, let's say. So literally after the heavy move now, we should be expecting this market is ranging market now. So we'll see how the market gonna come off the range, how the market gonna open up, and hopefully we got some decent range left off for the London Open when the London start. So not trading the Asian session, I'll just be waiting for the London pre-London like 7:30 GMT, and then I'm gonna decide how we can move from there now. So that is pretty much from my side now. Nothing else, just keep the thing nice and simple and tidy. Wait for the clean structure to happen, and once that happen, ready to bounce in the market now. And that's all from my side. So take care. See you soon.